Hey, I'm Russell Leeds, and on this week we're talking about being true to yourself when you're starting your own business. So what do I mean by that? What do I mean by being true to yourself? If you're starting your own business, let me tell you this, it's hard, it's difficult. It's not gonna be, everything's sunshine and rainbows. You're gonna go through periods where you wanna give up, periods where you're getting rejected, periods where your friends and family are even telling you, stop this now, you've done enough. Now, if you're going to be going through all that crap, you need to be doing something that you love. Because if you don't love it, if you don't enjoy the journey, game over. You're not going to get there. Steve Jobs puts it like this. He says, you have to have a lot of passion for what you are doing because it's so hard. If you don't, any rational person would give up. So make sure that you pick something. It doesn't matter about the money. I mean, you want to tick all the boxes. I've got like a 5-step guide that I tick, but to me, this is probably the most important one. If you're not passionate and enthusiastic and you're on a mission to do whatever you're trying to achieve in your business, you will give up. It's too hard. So find something that you love doing. They say, don't they, if you find something that you love, you never work a day in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, entrepreneurs, tips, and even the podcast if you want something a little bit longer. It's all here on this channel, so please do subscribe, hit the like. If you've got any comments or questions, comment below, and I will see you next week.